Everybody loves that sense of accomplishment for installing something yourself. So in today's Easy Does It video, we're going to show you 5 easy installations you can do to your Fox Body Mustang. First part of my list is going to be the cup holder console. Not only does this get rid of the often broken ashtray door, it adds much needed cup holders and modernizes the Fox Body by adding some USB charging ports. Next on my list is a new set of cylinders for the hatchback. Now the hatchbacks on these cars are very heavy. When those cylinders go bad, you cannot lift the hatchback to get into it. Replacing the set of red line struts is going to be very easy to do and be much better than the factory setup. Next on the list is going to be a new 6-piece headlight kit. Getting rid of those yellowed headlights and putting a fresh head on is going to make the car look better. It's also going to make it much safer because you're going to be able to see better at night. Replacing weatherstripping in a Fox Body is a rite of passage. It's something you're gonna have to do. And again, it's something you can do yourself. And when you do it, you're gonna notice a difference immediately. And then last but not least is going to be the ashtray repair kit. Now we know a lot of Fox Body owners may not want to modernize their car with a cup holder. They want to keep that original look with that ashtray door, and those ashtray doors almost always break. This kit allows you to rebuild it and makes it much stronger than the factory setup. These 5 installs are going to be great upgrades for your Fox Body Mustang, and best of all, like I said, they are easy to do with basic hand tools, and I'm confident anybody watching this video can install these themselves and be back on the road in no time.